Welcome back to Talk with Emma and Alex. I'm Emma.
And I'm Alex. And honestly, Emma, today's topic is dangerous.
Dangerous? Why?
Because we are talking about something every English learner fears. When your brain goes, error, word not found.
Oh no, that moment. You want to speak English, but suddenly your brain becomes empty like a deleted folder.
Let's imagine a real situation. You're in a shop. Cashier says, "How was your day?" And you are like,
Wait, my English is loading.
yes. And in your head, okay, how to say, I went, And the cashier is just standing like,
This happens because your brain is trying to do too many things. Translate, think, speak, be perfect, all at the same time.
so basically, our brain is multitasking like a broken laptop?
Exactly.
Okay, Emma, tell us the magic trick. Fast.
No magic, just survival English. When you forget a word, don't stop. Use filler phrases. Let me think. How to say, it's like, you know.
Oh, so we can buy time in English.
Yes, you are not stuck. You are just thinking slowly.
Okay, let's test it. What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, let me think. I mean, I went out. I think shopping, yes.
Perfect. Not grammar perfect, but human perfect.
Many learners stop speaking because they want perfect sentences. But here is the truth. Perfect English is not required for communication.
Yes, even broken English still connects people. Sometimes simple English is more powerful than perfect English. Emma, I feel many learners feel ashamed when they make mistakes.
Yes, but mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you are silent, you are not learning. If you are speaking, even wrongly, you are growing.
Okay, give us something easy to do daily.
Try this. 1. Talk to yourself in English. 2. Use let me think when stuck. 3. Describe your day in simple words. 4. Don't translate every word.
And no English panic attacks allowed.
Exactly.
Emma, before we end, one challenge for listeners.
Oh?
In the comments, write one English sentence, even if it's wrong.
Yes, no fear, no pressure, just try. Remember, English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
And if your brain goes blank, just say, "Let me think." You are still speaking English.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Talk with Emma and Alex.
And don't forget, come back for more chaos in English.
Bye, everyone.